What is going on, everyone? Now, I'm here to tell you that there is 5 cryptos that I think if you get invested into right now, you could make some serious life-changing money. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. I do it so I can hang out with you guys, get the ones that I think might make it, and hopefully if you get involved, you can make a little bit of money. Let's have a look. Let's do it. Guys, number 1 is Polkadot, a very strong token in my eyes, ranked number 12. And this has got to be one of the, what I call the bad boys in the industry, because it just came in, it took all the popularity and it went for it. All right. We obviously seen some big highs. Okay. We got all the way up to about 9.7. It's probably one of the ones that didn't drop that dramatically compared to the rest of cryptos. All right. I actually really like Polkadot. I think it's one of the best utility coins that did start to get that traction. And it's cheap enough in my eyes for us to build it. You can actually build your crypto portfolio with Polkadot without putting that much money into it. And I see it getting to some serious rank height. Maybe even number 4, 3 it'll be pushing. So Polkadot's number 1. I think if you buy that right now, you might be making a little bit of money when the bull run hits. Guys, next is XRP. It is one of the most interesting cryptocurrency projects. Because of the lawsuit that was happening, it was the most anticipated one to fly. Then the bear hit. And to be honest with you, they kept rank 6, which is really, really good. Now, if you actually go to the monthly, the 3 months, we've actually gone back up. All right. The yearly, of course, we've gone to bear. Everyone has. But in the 3 monthly, we've actually started crawling back up. I think XRP is one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies of all time. And with the lawsuit coming to a close and people actually investing more into it, even in the bear, this is one that if you buy now, I truly believe that this could 10x before 2023 finishes. Okay. I truly believe that. That's only my opinion. Let's move on. Next up, guys, Chainlink. Now, what does Chainlink actually do? It's a decentralized Oracle network, provides tamper-proof inputs, outputs, and computations to support advanced smart contracts on any blockchain. What it does, it is the unique method to connecting all the ecosystems of the blockchain. Okay, they all come together and they connect through a very secure way. Now, what's the price of this? Let's take a look. Right now, we're looking at about $8.75, which is actually down about 75% for the year. All right, so I think truly this could be one of the biggest buys this Christmas. Okay, if you're looking for a Christmas present, get yourself a little bit of Chainlink, in my opinion, and I promise you that you are going to be involved with a lot of people's investments. Okay, you're going to be one of many that are buying it this Christmas. I'm not telling you it's a guarantee to make you money. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is going to do very well, in my opinion. It's ranked 21. I see it getting to at least rank 18 if the market cap does change, but the price, we're looking about $25, I think, is what I would put on it. $25 by the end of Christmas. Let me know in the comments if you think that's going to be right. It's a long push. It's over double, but I think it's going to get there. Now we're talking about Mina, guys. That's the next one that I would get into. It's down about, I think it's like 77%. Okay, it's at 0.7. Very, very cheap to get into. And if you look at the actual all-time highs, if it goes back up to 6.2, that is an incredible times amount. All right, it's at 0.7. You got to think, at one point this was up there. This was up at the $6 mark, and it's less than $1. If you were at that $6 mark and someone said, would you like to get in for $1, you would have took it. So why is that not now? I feel like this is definitely one you should get in on. Mina, get searching on CoinMarketCap, do your own research, but it's definitely a token that I'm going to be buying. And for a special added bonus, the last one I'm going to talk about is Compete. Okay, it's an all-in-one sports game. The token on here, I honestly do think is going to blow the world apart. All right, this is one that I would definitely get a part of. You can see the graphics of the game right now. Their token is what I want to talk to you about. It's the Compete token. It's the official utility token for the game. You can facilitate secondary marketplace transactions, close testing, enter special giveaways. It's getting the most traction I've seen out of a token in a long, long time. All right. How to buy it? Get yourself some Ethereum and buy it. Get yourself some BNB or some fiat. All right, the price right now, as we look, is 0.015. Super cheap. I honestly, guys, I feel like this could go to some serious heights. So get yourself a little bit of that just before Christmas, and let's see what it does next year. Let me know in the comments if you get it. That's the top 5, guys. Again, do your own research. Only invest if you're comfortable investing and you know what you're doing. Okay, it's only my opinion. I'm not telling you this is a guarantee, but in my opinion, the top 5 are going to do it. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you on the next video.